What's going on, guys? Mixer back again for another Halloween cocktail, and today's Halloween cocktail, guys, is the Dracula's Kiss, and I will show you how to make this spooky cocktail. It's very similar to a Roy Rogers and very simple cocktail, and I will show you how to do it. Right, get your highball. We will be building this cocktail, so get your highball and put in 15 ml or half an ounce of grenadine to set the Coke if you like that type of drink with Coke and grenadine. It's certainly a sweet cocktail, and also with the vodka it's still quite sweet, but also it makes alcoholic. That's a Dracula's Kiss, a very simple but effective cocktail drink and perfect for Halloween. But that is all for now, guys, as we will be doing it next in the Halloween cocktails, the Midnight Mai Tai, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It if you wish to see more Halloween cocktails, as we will be doing a few more throughout half term. And you can check out our social in the description below, which my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also my email. But that is all for now, guys, and I will see you for the next Halloween cocktail. Cheers.